Are you ready to make your Canva presentations more dynamic and engaging? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add background music to your Canva designs, step by step. Whether you're creating a slideshow, a video, or a presentation, the right soundtrack can take your project to the next level. First, make sure you're using Canva Pro because music features are only available there. Once you're in, open your Canva dashboard and look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on audio and you'll see a collection of tracks ready to use. If you don't see audio in the toolbar, don't worry. Click on apps, type audio in the search bar, and you'll access Canva's full library of soundtracks and effects. From here, you can explore a wide range of genres and moods to find the perfect match for your design. Once you find a track you like, simply click and drag it onto your project or use the Add to Design button. You can trim the music to start exactly where you want and use Canva's timeline feature to sync your audio perfectly with your visuals. This ensures your presentation feels smooth, professional, and captivating. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your Canva presentation from static to lively, giving it a professional edge that grabs attention. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tracks and placements. It's all about finding the vibe that fits your project. Adding music isn't just about sound. It's about creating an experience that resonates with your audience and leaves a lasting impression. I hope this guide empowers you to explore Canva's musical features and elevate your next design. Happy designing!